This year I was preparing with my training team to go to Florida in January, but the night before I actually ended up getting pretty ill and had to go to the hospital because I was feeling so off, and turned out I got bacterial meningitis, and from there things just kind of all changed so suddenly. I remember just waking up and all of a sudden I was a different person, 30 pounds lighter, really unable to move myself, even drink water or anything normal like that. Things were just all taken from me, and I lost the ability to walk and roll over in bed, and I was having everything done for me, and I couldn't eat, and I was on feeding tubes and everything, and I had to come to the realization as I was coming further and further out of sedation that I wasn't going to be able to paddle, and maybe not paddle again for my whole life. And things just really all changed, and it's at that point I didn't know what to do with myself, because I didn't know a world without paddling. I'd grown up with it and I learned everything through it, and just for my parents to have to come in and tell me that things were different didn't really make sense to me, because there was no world without paddling. There was no me. That was just part of my identity, and all I can say now is, after a lot of hard work and some pretty incredible progress, I'm very lucky to be able to be in the boat again. That was a tight race. Yeah, it was a good week. Right there. Oh! I mean, as far as what really matters in the sport goes, for me, I'm not getting in the boat and thinking about going out and doing hard practice and getting a lot of good strokes in. I'm just going out there and kind of having fun doing what I love to do and finding that feeling of taking good strokes. And it's not about winning, it's not about what place I come, it's not about how well I do. It's really just about getting back into it and finding myself in a place where I feel like I belong. Even if I feel like I'm on the outside, I still get to feel like I'm part of something that's really big for me.
For three. Oh!